Welcome, Clear Spring Roadrunners. This is Mrs. Kim. Thank you for joining me to practice the place value with decimals priority strategy. In this session, we will use the operation of addition, including the decimals, tenths, and hundredths. The numbers for this session are 123 and 7/10, 15 and 14 hundredths. I'll write the equation at the top. 123 and 7/10 plus 15 and 14 hundredths. I will start by breaking apart by place value, including the tenths and the hundredths. $100 plus 20 plus 3 plus 7/10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1/10 plus 400. Next, I will reorganize by place value. I'll start with the whole numbers. 100 plus 20 plus 10 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7/10 plus 1/10 plus 400. Now that I've reorganized all my numbers by place value, I can start putting them back together. I'll start with the whole numbers and then work with the decimals. My whole numbers include the hundreds, the tens, and the ones. My decimals include the tenths and the hundredths. When I look at this number, I see 100, I see 30, and I see 8. If you see that, you can write the number as 138. Or I could write it as an expanded equation. 100 plus 30 plus 8. Next, I'll work on the decimals. I'm going to draw a picture for these decimals. Before I do that, I want to group together the tenths. 7/10 and 1/10 make 8/10. And then I have my 400ths left over. In my picture, I want to include my tenths and the hundredths. I have 8/10, 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10, 6/10, 7/10, 8/10. I also have 400, 100, 200, 300, 400. When I see this picture of 8/10, I know this also equals 80 hundredths. And I have the 400ths. If I group those back together, I now have 84 hundredths, or 8/10 and 400ths. 138 plus the 84 hundredths equals 138 and 84 hundredths. Looking back at my original equation, 123 and 7/10 plus 15 and 14 hundredths equals 138 and 84 hundredths. Now it's your turn to continue to practice the place value with decimals priority strategy in workstations at school and in homework. If you need reminders for the place value with decimals priority strategy, please revisit this video. Thank you, Roadrunners. This is Mrs. Kim, your Clear Spring Math Coach.